Fix in 5. P0572. Cruise control, brake switch a circuit low, brake switch signal voltage. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control will not activate or stays active when brake pedal is pressed. Check engine light illuminated. Brake lights may not function properly. Cruise control may disengage unexpectedly. Multiple related fault codes may be present. P0571. Now the most likely causes. Faulty brake light switch, most common cause. Damaged or corroded wiring in brake switch circuit. Loose or corroded connector at brake switch. Brake switch adjustment out of specification. PCM internal circuit malfunction, rare. What does it cost? Roughly €15 minus 45 doing it yourself, or €55 minus 85 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace brake light switch with OEM or equivalent part. Clean and repair corroded connector terminals. Repair damaged wiring in brake switch circuit. Adjust brake switch position if within acceptable range. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0572 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0572 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis. Full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0572. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.